Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on how to stretch your braiding extension slash prep your extension before braiding. So I usually stretch my extension. No, I always stretch my extension before I use it to do a cornrow, feeding braid, or just braid, single braid. And I also stretch out my extension when I'm doing a crocheted hairstyle. So let's get right into this video. So the extension, the hair braiding extension I'm using today is the expression braiding hair. So you just want to go ahead and cut your extension to your desired length. The hair that I'm going to use this the style that I'm going to use this hair for is going to be like a very short hairstyle. So I cut it into 4 sections and I'm going to start to stretch out my extension. So what I make sure to do, this is for beginners. So if you're a beginner, you want to take the extension little by little. You don't want to hold all the hair in your hand when you are stretching the hair. You want to take it in a way that even though you mess it up, you can always pick a new one to do, so you're not messing up the whole pack. So as you can see, I only take one section of that 4 section that I cut out of the hair, and I'm holding it in my hand. So as you can see, the way I'm holding it's like I'm holding it in my fist, and I'm using my thumb finger and my my thumb finger and my pointer finger to hold the hair in between, some part of the hair in between those 2 fingers, and I'm starting to pull a little by little out. So as I said before, if you're a beginner, you don't want to have so many hair in your hands at once. You want to do it little by little, section by section. The more you do it, the more you get used to it. At the beginning, I used to mess up the whole hair, but now I'm like really good at it. I can hold up a whole pack of hair to stretch it out. But at this for this tutorial, I just wanted to show you guys with the little hair. So you just keep pulling it out little by little, little by little. You don't want to pull it too much, just a little bit, then you're going to let it go. So that is what I'm doing right here. So now that I'm done pulling the hair out little by little, it's going to look messy, but don't worry, you're going to take a brush and you're going to gently brush this out. So very gentle, especially if you're a beginner. You don't want to like brush it out so quickly, because you have to hold the hair very tight before you start brushing it out. So I'm just brushing it out here. This is a little fast motion that I'm doing here because I don't want to, like, you know. So I'm just brushing it out, as you can see here. So after I finish brushing it out, what I do, I usually take a little bit of a Vaseline and I'm just going to rub it in the hair to give it a little bit of shine to it. This is very easy. The more you practice, the better you get at it. This took me a little while to finally get a hold of it. So that is what you do to your extension until you're done. Then you can go ahead and use it to braid. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you don't understand it, just watch. I'm going to redo this again, and just in a faster motion, so you can watch this over and over again. You can go ahead and try first with a very cheap braiding extension. This is about $5.99 extension. They have extension for 99 cents or $1.99. You can get an extension to practice with. So those kind of extensions to practice with. So I'm just going to let you guys finish watching this video. I hope you like. Leave a comment down below if it was hard for you to get it at first, or how long it took you for you to actually get a hold of it. So that is all about it. Watch to the end, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching.
Audio Jungle.